Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's episode of Should You Sell That Product on Amazon? We go through TikTok videos and see what kind of products are out there being sold, and we determine whether or not if it's going to be a good product to sell on Amazon, because you know how I am. I want to show you guys how to make money online, how to sell products and leverage Amazon's resources. So we're going to go over a product today, and we're going to go over this video.
Stuff on Amazon you might actually need. This is a travel water bottle that blows my mind. It's incredibly easy to expand and then fold back up. It gets so small, which takes up hardly any space in your bag and is perfect for airport security.
So I have my screen pulled up. Let's get into my computer and analyze this product and see if it's going to be good to sell on Amazon or not. Alright, so this product is basically a collapsible water bottle. That's what I searched online. You can see there's different variations of this. This is the exact listing that is on the TikTok video, but there's just like different variations. You can see like there's like a foldable collapsible one like that. There's one that, like the one we're seeing, that's like a diamond one, and there's some that just go up and down, right? So there's different variations of it. But for the most part, there isn't many actual listings of this product. It's basically by one seller, right? Special made, right? And so everyone else just has like the same style of like a foldable up and down style, kind of like a scrunchie, but something like that, you know, like it just goes up and down. So this one's kind of different because it's kind of like it's foldable. So like you kind of like can really squeeze out every juice or drop of water out of that, right? So that's what it looks like, and you can see the seller is doing $76,000 a month, and the same listing with, for some reason they have two listings, but one with higher reviews, one with lower reviews, is doing nearly $40,000 a month, right? So two different listings, but one of the same seller. Overall, they're making six figures with this product. And there's no other competitors. There's no other direct competitors of the same style. So now that we know that, let's take a look at how much it costs to source. So when I go through and search up foldable water bottle, it's kind of hard to find because it's kind of like a lot of other of the up and down folding type variation, but not the foldable. So I was able to eventually find it, and there was like basically just one supplier that does it, and I found that you can be sourcing it anywhere between like mid $3 to $4, right? And I'm gonna be honest, this is kind of high for a product like this. It's kind of high, but we'll go over that later. We're gonna go through some pros and cons of this product later, right? So now that we know that there's not really much direct competition, we know that there's a lot of demand for this product, let's kind of look at the profitability of this product. So here we are, I got my screen here, and you can see here we have the price of the product, which is going to be sold for about $13, all Amazon fees and stuff like that, etc., etc. So here are some good things about this product. It's a very simple product. I don't see the quality being that crazy and complicated either. And another big benefit is it's a very small product, very, very lightweight, very, very small. I don't know why it says large standard size here, but it should be a small standard size. So like getting the air shipping for this product would be so easy, not very costly on your pockets either. And really you could manage your inventory very, very quickly if you turn over things. Like if you're turning over inventory very quickly, you can get the inventory back into Amazon very, very quickly. So I like small products like this, but what I don't like is the price. So it's being sold for about $13, and based off of our margins of what we were seeing we could source it for nearly $4, and after all the cost of the goods, the shipping, the Amazon fees, you're only gonna be left with about $3 profit per unit and 22% profit margin. Not a fan of that. What I would prefer are products that are selling at least $20 and over, because the dollar margin is always better, and typically you can have a much better profit margin percentage of over 30%, right? Like if this product was being sold for instead like $20, then you'd have damn near a 45% profit margin, which is much, much better, right? But obviously the market is not calling for that. They're not calling for the product to be sold for $20. They're not buying for $20, they're buying for $13. So that's what makes it difficult, right? Unless you were having a multiple packs of this is what would basically change the game a little bit, right? So you see how that they have different packs of this. So they have a double pack being sold for basically $23. Let's see if something like this would be much better to sell. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna guess if you can buy 2 of these products for your inventory, you're probably gonna be able to get a lower cost per unit. And since we're saying it was $4 per unit, we're just gonna say it's gonna cost you $6 per unit. And we're gonna keep the kilograms more like $3 per kilo. Okay, so if you do multiple packs of this product and you could sell it for over $20, you're gonna make much better margin, right? So this is where unique selling points play such a huge role into the products, because if it makes sense that you can do quantity bundles of basically like multiple pieces in one listing, and you can sell it for a higher price, you could have much better margins for that, right? So they can sell 2 units of this and they're charging less than what it would be. So 1 unit costs $13. So if they sold 2, it would cost you $26 to buy it, right? But they're selling it for $23. But your cost of the goods is still better, and you'll have a much better margin doing this. And you're still saving because it's still a small product, right? So that's why a quantity differentiating unique selling point for something like this is such a good idea, right? Now moving forward, would I sell this product? Would I sell this product? Personally, no, I would not sell this product, just because mainly the fact that just per unit, just one individual listing of this is not very profitable. Now, if I were to sell this multiple packs, I would consider it. But as a whole, the market for collapsible water balls is kind of more competitive. Like you see people have 3,000, 1,000, 6,000. There's a lot of competitors for something like this. So it is going to be a lot more risky, but very doable if you can come into this with a new offer, right? Maybe an idea would be quantity change, multiple packs with a different color variation or different style of this type of product, maybe a different cap or something like that. Those are just some ideas out there. But overall, if we're talking about just the individual listing itself for a single unit being sold, I would not recommend it. I would only go for it if you were trying to go for multiple packs of to sell. All right. So that is my evaluation of this product. I hope you guys enjoyed my product evaluation of should you sell this product on Amazon or not. We're finding these products on TikTok. But if you guys like these type of videos, let me know if you like it. Comment down below. Of course, subscribe if you're a newcomer to this. I always appreciate the new subs. But anyways, other than that, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. And as always, go make that money. Peace.